how to change your Google Fi password step by step. So in here, you have to first of all remember that Google Fi actually uses your unified Google account password. So whenever you change your Google password, you will automatically be changing your Google Fi password too, right? So in here, if you do simply get into your fi.google.com, you can actually tap on your profile icon right here and then get to your account settings and change your password either way, or you can simply directly head into myaccount.google.com and do it that way too. So either way, tap on your manage your Google account option, and then from there, now what you're gonna do is we'll actually get into our Google settings, right? From here, you can actually click on security, just like this. Here you can see we can actually see security and sign in. Tap on that one, and then from there you can now scroll all the way down. Here you can see password. Tap on password, and then from there, now what you're gonna do is simply verify your identity with your current password. So you can either use your passkey if you have saved it, or you can enter the password of your account in order to verify your current password, and then now you'll be able to enter your new password. Simply enter your new password right here, and then confirm your new password, then tap on change password, and just like that you will successfully be able to change your Google Fi password step by step. So yeah, that's all you need to do.